In 2012, there was a big event with role-playing, where it should be like it was in the Middle Ages. They used the forest for hunting and the ocean for fishing. It was built in 1313 by Erik Menved. In the first 200 years, it was used for war, and no one has ever been able to conquer the castle. Not then, not now. The reason was that there was only one road to the castle, well protected. If someone would try to attack the castle from the ocean, they first should sail through the city, where they would be noticed from far away by the city watch. The water is yellow, so their boats would crash around 20 miles away, and then they would get shot by the soldiers, and the city watch would come from behind. During the 15th century, it lost the military meaning and stopped warfare. Then it became a prison for all criminals and all kinds of criminality, like deserting from war, rape, murder, thief. During the last 20 years of 16th century, a priest gave the castle to his brother Ulrik. Ulrik destroyed the castle and sold it brick by brick to Copenhagen so they could build Charlottenborg Castle.